Have you experienced eating in a Chinese restaurant in which there are live seafoods, authentic Chinese dishes, and one-of-a-kind sea view dining experience? Introducing Minan Seafood Restaurant, located at Cebu South Coastal Road, Il Corso, Cebu City. Dali na ug ubaniko ninyo sa pagsulod sa maong second branch sa restaurant. Sa pagsulod pa lang nako guys no kay grabe nakalaysyo ang ilahang ambience. Din accommodating sad kaayo ang ilahang mga staff. Din na shock ko kay naa pa sila pa elevator diri guys. Nya naa sad sila pa live watching diha before nila lutuon ang inyuhang mga orders. Samtang gahuwat mo sa inyong mga order, servan kanila og tea and peanuts. We ordered spicy jellyfish, spicy boiled seafood soup, and chicken in a pot. So let's give it a try. And as for your reference, here are the prices. Daghang salamat and see you on my next food trip.